In previous class, I already completed by explaining that is chapter number 5, emerging modes of business. Today in this class, I am going to revising, and from this chapter, you can expect totally up to 13 marks for the final examination. From this chapter, we can expect 1 marks question that is in section A, 2 marks question that is in section B, and 4 marks question that is section C, and 1 practical oriented question in section E. Let us start with our revision, that is chapter number 5. First question we have, state any one strongest trend shaping the present business. In the introduction of the emerging modes of business, we already learned the strongest trend shaping the present business. What are that? Namely, outsourcing, digitization, and globalization. You can write it any one for the 1 marks. That is outsourcing, digitization or digitalization, and globalization. And second question we have, what is digitization? It is simple, the conversion of text, sound, images, video or other content into a series of ones and zeros. It is called digitalization or digitization. That means in previously we are following that traditional and we are not using that much and more technology, but at presently in business activities we are going to depending more and much we are depending the technology. And question number 3 we have, name the network that is most familiar to the student of our consumers, that is internet. Today in this world, the people are a human being, they can live without the food, but they cannot live without the internet. So the consumer or the student, they are no very familiar, that is internet. And fourth question, what is e-commerce? E-commerce is conducting the business activity with the help of internet. That means in simple, buying and selling of goods and services, it takes place internet. For example, Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, etc. And next one, expand BPO. BPO is business process outsourcing. You already learned that outsourcing concept, that is the business will going to hiring or the business will going to take some activities from the third party on the contract basis. And next question number 6 we have, give an example for a business for a C2C. You have learned the models or a scope of e-business. We have 4 scope of e-business, that is B2B, B2C, intra B-commerce, and one more we have C2C. Here the question they asked, example for C2C, that is OLX. Next one we have, give an example for B2C, that is business to customer. The example we have Amazon. Next one we have, state any one risk of e-business. You already learned the risk of e-business, that is safety and security risk. We have 3 risks. You can write it any one. Here I have given that transaction risk and data storage risk. Next one, what is plastic money? Nowadays, the majority of the people, while they are purchasing the products through that online or e-commerce website, they are paying that cost or money with the help of this plastic money. What is plastic money here? Plastic money is means debit or credit card, we can call it as a plastic money. And next one, state any one resources required for successful implementation of e-business. Suppose if you are started a e-business, that business they want to be successful. How it possible? With the help of some resources. What are the resources is to be required to successful for a e-business? One is internet connection and another one computer system, and one more we have customer relationship management. These are the very important to successful for a e-business. Next one we have expand SSL. SSL stand for secure socket layer. Next one, expand virus. This virus topic you already learned in the safety risk, that is vital information under seize. Next one, question number 13, state any one application of e-business. This is also very important question for the examination point of view. E-auction, it is e-auction, A-U-T-I-O-N, e-auction, A-U-C-T-I-O-N, e-delivery and e-procurement. And next one we have expand ATM, automated teller machine. It is not automatic, it is automated teller machine. Next, move on to the 2 marks question. First question, give the meaning of cookies. This is a very important question for the examination. It is a similar to the caller ID. It gives information about customer name, address, mobile number, previous purchase record. It is called cookies. While you are purchasing any product or if you are visiting to that any website, in the icon tab or in the link they are going to show that some information. That information we can call it as a cookies. And next we have what is cryptography. Cryptography here we are using for this cryptography to protect our information. Should not hack that from the hackers. That is the reason we are using this cryptography. Here what is cryptography? It refers to that art of protecting information by transferring into unreadable format. This is known as cryptography. Suppose if you are visiting any website, if you are creating any account, the account will going to show that password. You have to set your own password. That consists, one will be capital letter and one will be the special character and one will be number. This all will protected that strong password. Got it? It is called cryptography. Next one, what is PayPal? PayPal Commerce is a e-commerce company that facilitate payments between parties through online fund transfer. It is like a Google or a Phone Pay. How it will be act as the sender and receiver. That is, if you want to transfer the money to that another person, like the Google Pay and Phone Pay, how it helps, like PayPal also, it will help in an online transaction or online business to pay that or what you are purchased the products to pay that cost. And next one, give the meaning of outsourcing. In simple, outsourcing from sourcing from outside or the company contract to that another company to provide particular services is called outsourcing. And next we have give the meaning of vertical outsourcing. It refers to service providers specialized in only one or two industries. It is called vertical outsourcing. In yesterday class I already explained in the topic of outsourcing and horizontal outsourcing. Horizontal outsourcing means the service providers, they are specialized in only one industries, is called horizontal outsourcing. These are the 2 marks question you can expect for the final examination. In the next class, I'll going to continue with the 4 marks question, that is section C. Thank you.